Dennis, if you're watching this later, happy Sunday fun day.
We got you, fam. So we just got here.
Riding too hard, dude.
Bobber breakdown.
Do it again, do it again. What?
Bobber breakdown.
Yeah, I was riding too hard and then it blew up underneath me. And waiting around for...
Not enough Loctite.
Or too tight.
Yeah. So, make sure you buy AAA so you'll never have to use it.
AAA Premier, 200 miles of free towing.
Hashtag not sponsored yet.
Not sponsored. All right, sponsor me, AAA.
Oh, I'm so ashamed. I thought I was indestructible. Let's see, so the weights, I took the weights out already. So even though I have like spare pieces to put together, I can't get that bolt out. So fucked up. Yeah, I left right at 7. I was making hella good time.
Yeah, close too.
Hella good time. I almost made it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Hella good time. It could have been worse. I could have got straight at night.